Wanna know how to use Google Chat? Well, no worries. In this video, if you are a beginner, I'm going to show you a basic interface and how to basically use Google Chat and get started with chatting with your friends and other contacts from email. So let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply head towards chat.google.com and you should be under this interface once you have logged in. So we have also created similar videos on how to log in or create an account, so make sure to watch it. So now you should be under this interface, and what you need to do is, if your chat box is empty, you can just simply start a chat with someone new. So on the left side you should be seeing new chat, just simply like that. You can simply add anyone that you like and then start a chat. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it. Just simply select anyone that you like and then select start chat. That's how you can do it. I can also explore home, mentions and shared, where you can get mentions from the chats or the group chats that you had created and start as well. So you should also get direct messages, where your direct messages should be right below it, and your spaces and apps that you can explore. So you can also explore apps by selecting explore right here, and as you can see right here, you can just simply see various apps that you can choose from Google Chats and Google. So you can also see on-read messages right here, see threads, or create one for discussion. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us more of these videos. See you in the next one.